Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG, and today I am taking a look at the TUSHY Travel Bidet. So it's a pretty cool product. Getting it open, you get this. It is a collapsible travel bidet. It comes with this carabiner if you're brave enough to, I guess, carry it on the outside of your bag or something. And it does come with this little discreet bag if that's what you want to store it in. So you know, shove it in there and then cinch the lid. But let's really talk about the bidet itself. So it is collapsible. It expands. You can see this big. And then it has a flip up lid. And it has 3 holes. Hopefully you can see there. And I'll show you the spray pattern here in a second outside. But it holds 5.3 ounces of water, excuse me, it holds 11 ounces of water and it weighs 5.3 ounces when it's empty. So then you add another 11 ounces or so for the water. Very cool product, especially if you're going into the office, you're traveling, you can keep this in your car. It's small enough that you can either slide it into your pocket or you can take it in a purse, small bag, something like that. You can walk into the restroom, you can fill it up with water, and then you can do your business and get clean. I will say for my uses, the holes don't do a lot of power. If you've ever used like a full bidet, it's going to be noticeably weaker, but it does do a good job of helping you make sure everything is in good shape. So I highly recommend this. I love it. I was using it in the office. I'm definitely going to be taking it on road trips if I ever need to stop. It's going to make my hygiene game so much better. So stay tuned. We'll head outside and I will show you the spray pattern. Okay, here we are outside. So you can see that's all the spray device is. And then here, side shot, you can see the triple strand. And then aiming down, there it is. Final direction, let's aim it up at the camera so you can see it that way. So overall, great product. It'll make office life a little bit better, also your road trips. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.